In the heart of Rayfield, Plateau State, lies a silent testament to human endeavor and its consequences. This is the face of tin mining, an industry that once glittered with promise, but now reveals a stark reality. Generations have delved into these grounds, extracting wealth buried beneath. But at what cost? The youth must ask themselves, what legacy are we building? These pits, once teeming with hope, now stand as empty voids, echoes of dreams long gone. The land we strip today will be the inheritance of tomorrow. The future lies not just in the richness of our soil, but in the hands of our youth. Accountability is more than a word. It is a duty. It is the call to safeguard our land, our health, and our heritage. Take a moment to reflect. What lies beneath our feet is more than minerals and metal. It is the very foundation of our future. Let us choose wisely. Let us act responsibly. For this land is ours to protect.